Back to another banger. It's your fishing boy here with another video. We're gonna do some bass fishing today. My friends are coming, so hopefully we get on some bass. Hopefully no one yells at us like last time. So let's get it. We walk down there. Show you what I got. We got the silver lipless, I guess it's silver, and yeah, just silver lipless crankbait on the orange crush. This is a heavy what is it, heavy action with 12-pound floral carbon on it. Everything's working well on it. Love this reel, love the rod on it, very sensitive. So yeah, let's get down there. Oh my god, first cast, guys. First damn cast. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh, that's a good one. That's gotta be like a 4 or something. I don't know. Wait, maybe it's not. No, it's alright. That's not too bad. Oh, there's a fish, guys. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, there he is. There he is. Not a bad one. Smacking him on the lipless. Realized I didn't have the release on him, so yeah, that kind of sucks. And I don't even know if I got it in frame, which is fine. But yeah, first cast fish, guys. By the way, I mean, you'll love to see it. That thing hammered it too. Let's see if I can get one on the second cast here. No, not on the second cast. But I tell you what, I did catch on the second cast some weeds. Some weeds. What? Alright. Alright, so my friends are here. Now we're just trying to catch a bass. Ooh, Christian's got one. You're gonna keep on missing him. Huh? He had one on the bobber. And then, yeah, we're just gonna chill here. If you guys didn't see that fish, I'm gonna post it right now. Oh yeah, it's in a fucking weeds.
It's a big one.
Is it weeds? Oh my god, I got that on camera! Oh, we're weighing that thing. Oh, it's a toad.
No.
Landon, don't flip an eye, flip an eye, flip an eye. Oh my god! Alright, we're getting the scale out for that one. Here, let me see that thing, dude. Wow, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Oh, damn. Nice fish, dude. Imagine I don't even have my skill.
Fine.
Good fish, dude. To a different pond. See if we can catch on some more big ones. Mine was 3.4 and his Val's was 3.7. Yeah, now we're moving on to the next pond to try to get some more big ones. So let's get it. Pond. It looks a little different, I guess. It's got, doesn't look much different though. So yeah, let's fish it. That's a giant. What is bluegill? They're so big.
Bro, I want to cook one up.
Yeah, right?
Grandpa said if we catch like a pretty good fish, he wants to eat it.
I know, because he's fucking Greek.
Oh. Yeah, that's the size of...
I got this little waterfall right here. I'm gonna cast a little parallel to the waterfall, in the bank of the waterfall. See if we can get one. So far, no luck at the new pond. But oh my god, I just got bit right up from the water here. Oh my god, he's come back. He's come back. I don't think he wants it. I just got bit. Or a big one. I can't tell.
Use it right and cast in the right spot. Look at all these. These are all like male bass.
Yeah.
Perfect hook set.
Doing this so well. It's like the what? Yeah, I know, he's just catching them all. Hey, is the red light on my camera? Sorry.
I got one.
What?
Sup, YouTube? Oh, no!
Yeah. I just hooked up on one, guys.
Bro, are you posting this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Dude, did you see that? I had one
Subscribe
on.
to The Real Basset.
Yeah.
I had one on, dude.
I just hooked onto this guy. Yeah. Nice 5-pounder. Let's get a nice little release on that guy. Goodbye.
You're just reeling it in.
I know. Hey.
Water is super warm. That water is warm.
Yeah, that water's warm and it's like cold right now.
Yeah.
Right?
What the heck? Good fish.